ሰላም ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? በዛሬ ቪዲዮ ያዘጋጀሁላችሁ ለኤግዚት ኤግዛም ሊያግዙ የሚችሉ ጥያቄዎችን ነው። Now let me begin. First question, which one of the following describes the need of modulation? A. Improve the signal to noise ratio. B. Makes the low frequency signals to travel long distance. C. Multiplexing the signals. D. Mixing the signals. The answer is D, that is mixing the signal. Modulation is not used for mixing the signals. Rather, it is used to multiplexing the signal. That means to transmit or send more than one signals over a single channel. Question number 2. In amplitude modulation, the bandwidth is blank of the audio signal frequency. A 3 times, B 4 times, C 2 times or twice, D none of the above. In amplitude modulation, the bandwidth of the modulated signal is twice or 2 times of the message signal or the audio signal frequency. Therefore, the answer is C. This is one of the disadvantages of amplitude modulation, because the bandwidth of the modulated signal is twice of the message signal. Question number 3. In amplitude modulation, the blank of the carrier is varied according to the message signal. A. Amplitude. B. Frequency. C. Phase. D. None of the above. In amplitude modulation, the amplitude of the carrier is varied or changed according to the message signal, whereas in frequency modulation, the frequency of the carrier signal is changed according to the message signal or the information being signal. And also in phase modulation, the phase of the carrier signal is varied or changed according to the message signal. So in amplitude modulation, the amplitude of the carrier is varied according to message signal. So the answer is A. Question number 4. Which one of the following is true about overmodulation? A. Overmodulation is occur when the message signal amplitude is equal to the carrier signal. B. Overmodulation is occur when the message signal amplitude less than the carrier signal. C. Overmodulation is occur when the message signal amplitude is greater than the carrier signal. D. None. Overmodulation is occur when the modulation index is greater than 1. That means it occurs when the amplitude of the message signal is greater than the amplitude of the carrier signal. So the answer is C. Question number 5. The major advantage of FM over AM is blank. A. Reception less noisy. B. Higher carrier frequency. C. Smaller bandwidth. D. Smaller frequency deviation. Frequency modulation immune to noise. It immune to noise, that means refuse the noise. Therefore the answer is A. Question number 6. Overmodulation results in A. Weakening the signal. B. Excessive carrier power. C. Distortion. D. Strengthening the signal. Overmodulation distorts the signal. Therefore C is the answer. Question number 7. Why vestigial sideband modulation is preferred in TV? Because it reduces the bandwidth requirement to have. It avoids distortion at low frequency. It results in better reception. D. All. This vestigial sideband modulation is one type of linear amplitude modulation. it is preferred in TV because the bandwidth requirement is reduced by half. So the answer is A. Question number 8. Which of the following is an indirect generation of FM? A. Onsen modulator. B. Varactor diode modulator. C. Reactance field effect transistor modulator. D. Reactance bipolar transistor. There are two methods that are used for generation of FM. One is direct method and another is indirect method. The indirect method, Onsen modulator, is one method which is used for the generation of FM. So the answer is A. Question number 9. Which of the following is digital modulation technique? A. Pulse code modulation. B. Frequency shift keying. C. Delta modulation. D. All. There are three techniques of digital modulation keying. One is amplitude shift keying. Second is frequency shift keying, and the third is phase shift keying. So the answer is B, that's frequency shift keying. The remaining pulse code modulation and delta modulations are digital pulse modulations. Question number 10. Which one of the following is analog? A. Pulse code modulation. B. Pulse width modulation. C. Delta modulation. D. Differential pulse code modulation. Pulse code modulation, delta modulation, and differential pulse code modulations are digital pulse modulations. The remaining pulse width modulation is analog pulse modulation. Therefore, B is the answer. Question number 11. Given the following modulated signal A up to D, where M0 is the message signal, omega C is the carrier signal, and AC is the amplitude of the carrier signal. The question is, identify the type of modulation for the above signals. What A is represent, and B, C, and D. So first A is describe or represent the conventional double side band modulation, and the second B is double side band suppressed carrier, because the modulated signal of the double side band suppressed carrier is obtained by multiply the message signal and the carrier signal. And C is frequency modulation, and the last D represents phase modulation. C is the answer. A is conventional double side band. B represents or describe double side band suppressed carrier. C phase modulation, and D represents C frequency modulation, and D represents phase modulation. ተጨማሪ ጥያቄዎችን ለማግኘት ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። ዛሬ ቪዲዮ ይህን ይመስላል። በቀጣይ በሌላ ቪዲዮ እስከምንገናኝ ባይ ባይ።